When we talk about manifestation, we think about this idea of meditating and sending this energy, this vibration to the universe so it brings us back wherever we want. And let's be honest, this is the part of the magic, and it's beautiful. And you will find hundreds of videos telling you if you fall asleep to these words, you will manifest whatever you want in a few days. Do this meditation, everything you want will come to you. And yes, fine, this might happen to you. Definitely, this is part of the exercise. But what all of those videos don't tell you about is about the importance of alignment. And alignment and manifestation, they coexist. How are you going to manifest what you want if your life, if your behavior, if your life is not aligned? You know, if the things are not placed in the correct position. Think about your life as a puzzle that you're trying to put it together. So you have half of this puzzle in, and you're trying to fit these new pieces, you know, to create this beautiful image of what you want, what you wish. But you have the other pieces completely out of places, and you're trying to fit new ones. So what those videos don't tell you is that in order for you to manifest what you want, you will need to let go of things that no longer serve you anymore. And this is such a big part of the game. You know, imagine your life has this closet full of clothes, and you're trying to fit more clothes in, but of course you don't have any space. And you keep doing, and you keep pushing, you keep dreaming, you keep wishing, and at the end you're exhausting because it doesn't happen to you. So in order for you to manifest what you want, you need to realign your life. So I invite you to start a small exercise. Write down on a piece of paper the things you want, the things you love, the things that make you passionate. What is the relationship you would dream to be in? What would make you happy? And what kind of house you want to live in? What kind of job you want to work on? Write down all those things into a paper and just start looking at them. And once you have this done, take another piece of paper and write down about the life you have right now. About your work, about the relationship you have, about the mindsets and behaviors that you like and that you dislike. And leave these pieces of papers around and take a look at them once in a while. And start to notice, how does it make you feel to look at the things that you wrote down? What makes you happy? What makes you unhappy? What are you ready to let go? Do you have way too much happening in your life? Is it the right moment for you to bring something new? What can you leave behind in order to make space to receive the things you want? And today I'm gonna leave something that I prepare, an exercise. I prepare a meditation, not to manifest, but to help you to learn how to let go of the things that no longer serve you anymore. And I'm gonna have it linked here in this video. And you can start it in there if you're ready. I find that meditation is such an incredible tool that allows us to travel to the depths of ourselves to see what's going on inside. I myself try to think about the life I wanted. And yeah, everything started like an exercise where I visualized the things I wanted, where I pictured myself and the house I wished, and the relationship that was going to make me happy, and doing the things that I most loved. But at some point, I realized, why aren't these things happening? I questioned myself, and the answer is because I need to let go of the things that no longer serve me anymore. Life wants to bring you the life you want. It wants to gift you everything you wish. And if you are here, it's because deep down, you feel it on your intuition that this is real. And sometimes we think that only the universe is responsible for bringing the things we want. But we are also responsible, you know, and we need to create this space to receive. I can only hope that this video brings you something that can help you in your journey to have the life you wish that will make you happy. If you love this video, please leave me a like and let me know what else would you like to see here in my channel. If you want to subscribe and participate on this journey, it would be lovely to have you here. I wish you a wonderful life, and be sure that I will be vibrating and sending you all the good energies that you need for you to make the changes that you deserve on your life. See you in the next one.